What will happen to your body if you swim 30 minutes every day? Being healthy and active is crucial. The fact that you are watching this video right now probably means that you hold these values. Optimal fitness and health can be attained in a variety of ways. You can exercise, eat healthily, and limit your screen time. Even within these possibilities, further alternatives are available. You can opt to hike, cycle, run, climb, or swim when exercising. This video is for you if you're interested in swimming or want to incorporate it into your daily life. You should be aware of what happens to your body when you swim regularly before jumping into the deep end, both benefits and risks. Keep watching to find out. 1. Burns calories. Just as a point of comparison, 1 hour of yoga burns about 185 calories. In an hour, an elliptical machine can help you burn about 370 calories. An hour of walking will result in a calorie burn of about 320. At a moderate pace, swimming burns about 425 calories an hour. At a faster pace, it burns about 720. It's obvious that swimming burns calories effectively while being a low-impact exercise. 2. Lower blood pressure. Swimming has been reported to reduce blood pressure because it involves movement and physical activity. More precisely, daily swimming has been shown to reduce blood pressure in hypersensitive people. So, if you're thinking about swimming every day to improve your health and lower your high blood pressure, this is a great suggestion. 3. For those who have asthma, swimming can be a fantastic alternative. Swimming can enhance lung capacity, which may lead to fewer flare-ups even though it is not an asthma treatment. Working out the lungs can help maintain or even improve lung capacity in people with asthma and other lung-inhibiting disorders. You might notice a reduction in the frequency or intensity of airway constriction even after just a few months. Also, seek medical counsel from your doctor before beginning any workout regimen. 4. Better sleep. According to Johns Hopkins Medicine, habitual exercisers experience fewer episodes of insomnia and fewer sleep problems and may fall asleep and stay asleep for longer periods of time. For general wellness, sleep is crucial. Other research has demonstrated that sleep deprivation or irregular sleeping habits might impair cognitive performance and make weight loss a challenge. 5. Sun damage. I've already described some highly appealing outcomes that can result from daily swimming. But, as I have mentioned, situations that are less than ideal can also occur. It really depends on where you're swimming for our first disadvantage to take into account. This is less of an issue if you're swimming in the indoor pool of your gym or local community center. However, if you swim outside, you run the risk of sunburn. In essence, your risk of sun damage, skin cancer, and other conditions rises the more time you spend outside in the sun. 6. Skin rash can be caused by daily swimming. The majority of swimming pools use chlorine to sanitize and clean the water. While this protects us from germs growing in the water, long-term exposure to this chemical can be uncomfortable and result in rashes. Even though not everyone gets chlorine rashes, it's something to watch out for and be aware of if you plan to swim frequently. It can cause lumps and red rashes that itch and may swell, which can be quite uncomfortable. 7. Daily swimming can lead to dry skin. If you're lucky, swimming every day might prevent you from developing a chlorine rash, but you still run the risk of developing dry skin. Your skin is probably going to suffer from the chemicals or even from spending a lot of time in the water every day. 8. Red eyes. Your eyes may also itch from the chemicals in a pool, similar to a chlorine rash. Red eyes from irritation are more likely to occur the more chemicals you're exposed to. Although some people are more prone to eye irritation than others, we advise wearing goggles in the water if you swim frequently to assist prevent developing red eyes. Therefore, even while it may not be a good thing to happen, at least you can stop it or lessen its effects. Well, hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.